first thing, this is right here. You got your laundry bag with inside is a card with a list of laundry services and prices. They got like a 24-hour turnaround time. You know, standard safe. Pretty cool that they give you a little umbrella in case it rains. 2 robes, one's already been used. Steamer, a little throw blanket, I think, up there in that bag. Looks kind of nice, so because you should know what blankets look like. And here is the room. You get a king size bed. Nice lighting. Like I said, everything kind of minimalist kind of decor. A little modern. And out here, you've got the coupe de grace for us. I know it's coupe de grace. Yeah. Nice little hot tub jacuzzi out on your balcony, glassed in. I wish it was frosted glass or like a one-sided thing, because you know what happens out here. But if you're coming with a family, then yeah, I guess, you know, y'all could do family stuff in there like we probably would, because we are here as a family. Anyway, so you got your loungers. Nice little balcony overlooking a couple of pools. Both of these pools are family friendly. I am not quite sure the names. I will do that when I do my room tour. I mean, my resort walkthroughs a little bit later, but you know, a nice little view. So, pretty decent sized sectional, with little shades over there on the side. And this is the second bedroom, put with 2 twin beds and looks like what, about a 24-inch TV. And then they got a view of the kids club from here. Really got to angle it right, but yeah, you can see the kids club from there, which is enticing for any kids staying here, because you just get to look at other kids playing. So, you know, parents, you get this room, that's what your kids are looking at, so be prepared to get asked all the time for that. And they have their own closets. And it leads into the bathroom, which is super, super nice. This was, I'll just show you again from this side. This was a frosted glass door that you see when you first come in, so you can access it from either side. But yeah, nice party shower. Pretty decent size. That thing is super slippery, so you know, heads up. Rain head, which is super dope, but you can also use the hand sprayer. Water closet, you should know what water closet looks like, but just show you the size of it. It's pretty good size. And yeah, man, overall this is a very decent sized room. So for any families traveling together, or just people who like their space and want rooms for rooming in, go for it, man. I highly recommend this room. This is super nice. This is not the one that we booked. We booked the Junior Swim Up Suite, but unfortunately none were available for today. So tomorrow they will move us into our room. So stay tuned for that room view as well. I'll likely drop that in another video, because I'm an opportunist and I want more views. So yeah.